10 Innovative Uses for Olive Oil. Beyond cooking, did you know that olive oil has been used for more than 6,000 years as a beauty aid, medicine, and even a preservative? While we all know it's a staple in the kitchen, you'll be surprised to learn how versatile this liquid gold really is. Stick around to uncover 10 incredible ways you can use olive oil beyond cooking. Some of them will change your routine forever. Olive oil is a kitchen essential, but did you know it can be used in your beauty routine, household cleaning, and even for health remedies? In today's video, we're going to dive into 10 innovative uses of olive oil beyond cooking. Whether you're looking for a new natural beauty treatment, ways to clean your home without harsh chemicals, or quick health fixes, olive oil is here to save the day. Ready to unlock its full potential? Most people think of olive oil as just a cooking ingredient, and while it's a fantastic choice for heart-healthy meals, limiting it to your pantry is a missed opportunity. So many of us are unaware of its other powerful uses, from beauty care to cleaning hacks. With this mindset, we're missing out on one of nature's most versatile oils that can solve everyday problems in surprising ways. Imagine how much money we spend on skincare products, makeup removers, or specialized cleaners, many of which contain chemicals we'd rather avoid. The solution could be sitting right there on your kitchen shelf: olive oil. Here are the 10 innovative ways you can use olive oil to simplify your life, starting today. Natural Skin Moisturizer. Olive oil is packed with vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for your skin. Unlike commercial lotions, it absorbs deeply, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Massage a few drops onto dry areas like elbows and knees, or even your face for a hydrating boost, especially in winter months when the skin tends to dry out. Deep Conditioner for Hair. Olive oil works wonders as a treatment for dry, frizzy hair. Warm up a small amount, apply it to the ends of your hair, and let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing. It hydrates and repairs split ends, making your hair smoother and shinier. Furniture Polish. Did you know olive oil can restore the shine to your wooden furniture? Mix a few tablespoons of olive oil with lemon juice or vinegar, and use a soft cloth to polish your furniture. Not only does it bring out the natural beauty of wood, but it also adds a protective layer. Makeup Remover. Struggling to get rid of waterproof mascara? Olive oil is a gentle and natural way to remove makeup without irritating the skin. Apply a few drops onto a cotton pad and wipe away makeup effortlessly while moisturizing your skin at the same time. Shaving Cream Alternative. Out of shaving cream? No worries. Olive oil offers a smooth surface for shaving, minimizing razor bumps and nicks. Plus, it leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized afterward. No more dry skin after shaving. Soothe Sunburns. Got a little too much sun? Olive oil can soothe inflamed skin and help repair damage caused by sunburns. It locks in moisture and helps reduce peeling, speeding up the healing process. Strengthen your nails. Weak, brittle nails? Olive oil can strengthen and nourish your nails by moisturizing the cuticles. Soak your nails in a small dish of olive oil for 10 minutes once a week to promote healthy nail growth and prevent breakage. Unstick Stubborn Zippers. Got a zipper stuck on your favorite jacket? A drop or two of olive oil can loosen up that stubborn zipper without damaging the fabric. Just apply it gently with a cotton swab and watch it glide open. Condition leather goods. Leather shoes, bags, or jackets looking dull? Olive oil acts as a conditioner for leather items. Apply a small amount, let it soak in for 15 minutes, and then buff it off with a clean cloth to restore shine and flexibility. Earwax Removal. One of the most surprising uses is that olive oil can help soften and safely remove earwax. Just apply a few warm drops into the ear canal before bed and let it work its magic overnight. This natural remedy is gentle and effective without the need for over-the-counter solutions. Among these amazing uses, the most surprising might be how olive oil can be used to clean your ears naturally. This simple remedy is a game-changer for anyone dealing with earwax buildup. It's non-invasive, chemical-free, and something you probably already have in your kitchen. Who would have thought olive oil could be so versatile? To sum it up, olive oil is so much more than a cooking oil. It's an all-around problem solver for your beauty routine, home, and health. From hydrating your skin and hair to fixing stuck zippers and polishing furniture, it has a multitude of uses that can simplify your life. So next time you reach for that bottle, remember, olive oil has endless potential outside the kitchen too. What's your favorite way to use olive oil? Share it in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, try one of these hacks. Don't forget to check out my other videos on natural remedies and health tips for more life-changing ideas.